Ukraine is an agrarian country. The projected collection of all cereals in 2017 is expecting to reach 65.3 million tons. The main crops of which, wheat, maize, barley, account for about 64 million tons. Thus, in the current season, Ukraine can reach another record for grain exports, 40.4 million tons. But due to the shortage of grain vans and the lack of traction, the technical condition of which does not meet the standards, as well as the strengthening of control over carriers, a situation has arisen when the demand of grain transportation exceeds the real supply by more than 2 times. All this puts in jeopardy the realization of Ukraine's export potential. The optimal solution to this problem is the using of river transport. According to the Ministry of Infrastructure of Ukraine, it is possible to transport up to 15 million tons of grain on the river. Unfortunately, the river is used only for 10% for today. Our project will increase the volume of grain transshipment by 4 million tons per year. To implement the project, it is planned to construction of 52 units of the fleet, 4 barges and 12 line tugs designed specifically for this project, purchase of multi-purpose transloader vessel with a storage volume in holds up to 80,835 tons of grain, purchase of 4 bathing tugs. In addition, on both banks of the Dnieper River, on the extension from Kiev to the Archakov city, 20 transportable storage vessels created on the basis of dump barges will be installed in the chess order. The capacity of each such storage vessel is 5,000 tons. Each storage vessel will be equipped with a transportable transloader for receiving grain from motor vehicles and loading them into a storage tank, as well as a crane for transferring grain from the storage tank to ships for further transportation. The rate of loading into fleet units is 5,000 tons per day. Placement of the specified number of transportable storage vessels along the whole course of the Dnieper River will allow to provide free access for farmers to river logistics and minimize the costs of grain transporting, cover a significant territory and part of the river transport market, significantly increase the transshipment volumes. The vessels with cargo pass 5 locks of the Dnieper Cascade, pass the Dnieper-Bag-Lemansk Canal, and without going to the lower ports, go beyond the Charkov to the open sea. Then transloader will transfer grain to sea vessels of various capacities up to the bulk carriers, Panamax and Suezmax. Realization of the project of the company Grain Trans Limited will allow to increase the total volume of grain transshipment by 4 million tons per year, stimulate the development of the direction of water logistics, significantly expand the transshipment capacity,